Hello. Today I'm gonna explain how to use SenDash in practice. This chart is gold XAU USD time frame day. The SenDash find the peak and through back for 6 sets, peak and through, and now we can see in the chart analysis that day 1 is uptrend, H4 is uptrend. 30 minutes time frame is an uptrend, 5 minutes is uptrend, but 1 minute time frame is downtrend. So this is by peak and through. That means in time frame day it has a higher high and higher low all the time, except the last one. It is in question. It depends on the next true. If the next true is confirmed, this high will be a lower high for time frame day, and we will see this color in red color. But however, if this low is confirmed not to be a lower low, but this is a lower high, so in Dow's theory, this is not confirmed trend. It's like a high and low in triangle shape. So this trend for day 1 will be in green color. We don't know this is what this color is. It's a background color. So we have to wait and see for the next through to confirm. So this is in time frame day. Let's see in lower time frame, like in H4, in 4-hour time frame. In 4-hour time frame, it says that this is a true peak, true peak, true peak. We can say in backward that it was downtrend before, and then it breaks high here. That's why it is in green color. That is uptrend, but it's not a really a clear uptrend because it was switching back and forth, the downtrend, uptrend, downtrend, uptrend. That is the nature movement of a non-trend inside a triangle. So this is like, it's a darker green. That means it breaks high, but it does not confirm a higher. It confirms higher high, but not confirm higher low yet. At least right now we can see that it almost at the same level of the previous low. So that's why it's darker green, not a light green. If it is higher high, higher low all the way, it will be light green. Okay. And another feature is the level of previous high of multiple time frame. This is previous high of time frame day. This is previous high of H4, previous high of
Incoming mail.
3 minutes. Hello? Okay. Lower previous low of 30 minutes, and this is the previous low of day 1 at H4. Okay. Let's see in 30 minutes time frame. This is M3. M30. It has peak, true, peak, true, peak, true, peak. We can see that it was downtrend all along in 30 minutes time frame. It was downtrend, and this is the reversal pattern. The latest low is higher low, and it breaks previous high. So this is a kind of, it's a shape of higher high, higher low. That's why the color of the trend for 30 minutes time frame is light green. This is higher high, higher low. So we can say that this is an uptrend for 30 minutes. However, it is swing down. Swinging down means it makes high below EMA. This is EMA 100. This is high below EMA. But the trend is an uptrend. That's why the swing is not clear. This is unknown. That's why the color is green color. The background color is not yellow. It's not green or red. Okay, but at least we know that it is a higher high, higher low in 30 minutes time frame. Okay, so next, yes. Okay, let's go move to here. Here we can try to here it's at a low zone of 30 minutes time frame, right? This is in red color. In 30 minutes time frame, this is the lower zone. That means there are lots of low above it. This is maybe low here, low here. Um, uh, I don't know how to explain it clearly, but it's a lower zone in 30 minutes time frame. In H4, it's not quite lower zone because there are many other lows below it. Okay, it counts low before it, and it counts how many lows above it. If there are so many number of lows above it, that means the current price is at a lower zone. Okay, and it looks like in H4 it's like likely to bounce back up. Okay, and the candle here is in green. It turns from red to green. It likely to bouncing up. This color for the H4 here is the same. This is green, so this is green too. If we change the color, change the time frame to day. Okay, day time frame. We can see this rightmost block of candle is red. That means it's the same color of the red candle here for D1. So in 30 minutes time frame, it's unknown for the candle. So let's see in 30 minutes time frame. See the rightmost block, the latest candle is unknown. It's not red or green. Okay, so this is how to use the chart analysis for multiple time frame chart reading. Okay, now let's go back to the chart H4 for hour. Okay, here we can see that is the low of everything. The low of 30 minutes, low of day 1, low of H4, low of many in previous low of and it's below EMA. So the area here should not hold my position. So if I take the maximum risk at 5%, this is the maximum risk SenDash allows for the big portfolio like this. It suggests 2.14 lot size for one position entry. So let's see what if I buy it at the current price. So this is the current price. This is exactly the price, 3253.014. Suppose that I enter buy here. The stop outline appears here. That means if the price go down to this price, the board becomes 0. Okay, so it's quite far from the current. It's quite far from where we are here. So at this price. So how about if we double it to 4.4? Here, and suppose that we enter buy at the current price. The stop outline is here. That means it's very close to the current price. It's very risky. And with this amount of capital here, we should not enter larger lot size than this. It's too risky. It's risky already here. So we should not enter any position larger than this 4.4 lot size. So this is how we can suggest, okay, by SenDash. So it's not what I'm gonna do actually. It's too risky. So I would like take only 3% of the risk. This is based on 5-minute time frame. That means the average distance for each peak through here. Peak to through, peak to through, like this. This is the one distance. But SenDash, take it back 30 sets of peak and throughs and find the average distance and use that distance of time frame 5 minutes to calculate the appropriate lot size for you automatically to risk 3% of board. Okay, you can change the average of the distance from peak to true by change the time frame. That will change your lot size too. Bigger time frame will force you to enter smaller lot size because the average peak to true distance will be longer. So it forces you to take lower risk by lower the lot size. So usually I take the risk of M5. Okay, and with 3% is 1.28 lot size. So if we take buy here, the stop out price will be here. That means if I enter buy position here, the port will be 0 if the price went down to here, which is very not likely to happen. So I'm okay with this kind of risk. So let's open buy do. So now this is the actual buy position at 1.28 lot size. And then I click here to set a stop loss. Click here. If you want to redo it, just repeat clicking the button is out here. Repeat it, it will turn off. Click it again, it turn on. Click it again, turn off. Okay, so I click it again to turn it on and set stop loss price here. And then click here to activate SenDash to wait and see and take action for you. Okay, it set it's our stop loss price, and it also watch for this loss at this price to close all the position automatically. For the TP, we can set it here at the high of 30 minutes time frame, and then we can see that the RR rate is 1 to 1.3. We can, if we don't like this, at least 1 to 1, risk 1 for the reward of 1.3 is just okay, not very good. If we take here at around the downturn trend line, we will get the risk reward ratio at 1 to 1.9 is almost 1 to 2. That is a very good too. So if we like this level of target, we will know that when the price comes to here, we will close all the position to take this amount of profit at this price. So I just click here, SenDash will wait and we'll wait for the price to come to here and close all the position in the port. For XAU USD too, it will not take action on other positions of other products. Okay, so I think that is it. Okay, if you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer your questions. Okay, that's it for today. Goodbye.